What is up, YouTube Pyro Nation? It's your boy AV Pyro 21 coming at you with the 2022 stash. So we're gonna get it started off. Start with the little small cakes. We got Pops Off. Got a bunch of cases of those, 16 shot by limited edition. Very nice. Poppin' Bubbly, 20 shot. Awesome. By SS Pre-Brand, also very awesome. And come down here, we got a bunch of Zoinks. Got a case and a half left. You know we've been burning, so very nice cake. We got the Jinkies, another nice cake, but a case and a half left. Awesome. We got a whole lot of Rosie by Smoking Alien. Nice little 9 shot just to start the day off. Same thing, Black Dog 9 shot. Pretty much brother and sister cakes. LA Woman, Smoking Alien, same deal. Got a bunch of those as y'all can see. Dream World, it's a 9 shot. A nice cake, something to just, you know, start the day off and have some fun before it get dark. Or right as it's getting dark, I should say. We got I don't even know how to say that. Beating You, 16 shots. That is Zombie brand fireworks. Nice little 200 gram cakes. All y'all should know what these are, squirrelies. 16 shot weasels. Also, what's the shots on weasels? 16 shots, also very nice cakes. Both by Smoking Alien brand. We got a Hardcore Pyro Spanish Fly. Case of those. We have a Healer, Smoking Alien, 15 shot, 500 grams. Bandicoot, case of those. We got the Shaman. Got one Kokomo left. We lit all those, celebrating Juneteenth and such. Got some Barracudas, 14 shot cakes. We got Heisenbergs. We got some Spuds over there. Blueberry muffins. Nice little 200 gram cakes. Some more squirrelies and weasels. The Mythology assortments, got a couple of those. And we got some Hocus Pocus. Case of those Aliens. Case of those DC Universe, Infinity War, Nazgul's, Halen, Zeppelin, some Swamp Ass, Greedy Pigs. We got some Masterpiece and Games, some Insanity brand. Got a couple cases of those. Sinister's, a couple cases of those. We got some Area 51s, some 4-inch salutes. A couple cases of I'm Different. We got the Fuck canisters, Happy Ending canisters, Echo in the Ear, Haze. Got some bunch of I'm Angry. Let's say I'm Different, Pyro Underground, Wops, Samurai. These are all 12 shot 2-inch cakes. Sky Barebacker, 49 shot 2 ones. Obey, Dragon Slayer. It's little 200 grams. Safety First, bunch of cases of those. Archangel, I'm Angry. Awesome cakes. And we got a bunch of cases of this 36 shot fan cake. Is real nice. Boom Boom Pow. Bunch of Mass Mandate. So 36 shot, I believe. Ass Blasters, 49 shot. Bunch of cases of those. Overloaded. Bunch of those. Skull Candy. We got the Mind Blown, Burning, Warning, Pyro Stash. I'll say we got a bunch of cases of all that, so It's gonna be a great 4th, and then all these cakes right here is strictly for the finale. We got Beautiful Horizon Part 2. Got the Masterpiece, Django, Thor, got this baby, Dementors, got that baby. Get this baby. Awesome cakes. So, all this is gonna be for the finale. With probably a case of everything else that I got. End game and Sentinel, so that's what we're working with. I got a couple more items coming in, so it's gonna be a nice 4th, you guys. Hope you enjoyed the stash. AV Pyro 21 out.